Welcome back guys. Today in this video I will show you guys how to create stunning graphic designs and photo editing using the online tool Fotor.com. To use this tool you don't even need to be a designer. There are billions of templates done by professional designers which you can customize every element of the template for your needs. In this video I will show you guys how easily you can create stunning designs using this tool. Best of all, you can sign up for free and straight away use most of the features. And there are premium features you can sign up for a price. You can sign up and get 20% off from the link under the description below. Alright guys, once you visit Fotor.com, you will see three main options in here. Edit a photo, make a collage, or create a new design. For this first example, I'm going to show you guys how to create a new design. So let's select this option. Once you log in, you will see there are many templates available based on their categories. You can choose one of them or you can search based on keywords from the search bar in here. For this example, I'm going to search for Valentine's Day templates. So I'm just going to type in here. Alright, so once I'm done, you can see there are a lot of templates already available for us to choose from. You can also filter out the search results by choosing one of these categories from here. And I'm just going to choose one of these templates for our design. Let's select this one. And once you select, you can see it will go into this page and we can select to edit from here, which will bring this design to edit dashboard. And also you can see there are many more templates related to our search appearing on the left. If you found a better design from these templates, you can straight away select from here. Or if you don't like this existing design, you can go back and search again from this search bar on top. Just click on the design you like, which will replace the design in the dashboard. You can keep replacing until you are satisfied with the design. Alright, so I will go with this design. Let's start edit this design. As I was telling you guys earlier, you can edit, change every element of this design. For an example, if you want to change the background color, just select the background layer and go in here, select one of these colors from here, or you can select the color wheel and apply a color from here, or you can place the code directly. Same for the text as well. You can type, change color or change text to anything you want. You can also resize these designs in here. All of them are vector elements, so you don't need to worry about quality. And you can also import photographs from your hard disk or from a cloud storage into any of these designs. I'm just going to place the image in here. And best of all, you can edit and apply effects to these images as well. Every component in here has its own layer. And I can move up and down by moving the layers on top. I can also delete any unnecessary component by just selecting and delete from the keyboard. You can always bring layers up and down with the layer positioning. And with the photo filters, you can apply stunning photo effects from the effects bar on top. Not only you can change colors of these elements from the color selection or color picker, you can also select colors from any image using the eyedropper tool in here. As you guys can see in here, when I move the eyedropper on top of this image, the background color is changing according to the selection. I will choose one of these colors. I think this looks nice. Alright. You guys can change the font face as well. I will stick to one of these fonts in here. And you can also change these vector shapes color as well. You can even apply shadows to the fonts or to any of these elements in here. For an example, let's change the color of this text and apply a shadow. Go in here, activate the drop shadow. You can apply any color for drop shadow. I'm going to choose black, and you can adjust the transparency in here, blurriness from below, and the distance and angle, all the basic settings you will find in any graphic design applications. Only difference is you are doing it here online. Alright guys, so once you're satisfied with your design, you can go to the top bar and save and download. You can give a name and you can choose to download JPEG or PNG. If your file have transparency, for our file we don't need a PNG. I'm just going to select JPG and quality is going to be very high and download, which will download the file which you can use. Okay, so let's go to a different example in here. I'm just going to select this design in here. And I'm just going to change the background color and the text for this design. I like the overall design of this template. So let's change the color, and for the text, I'm going to type like this. And now, let's say you like this design, but you want to use in a different size or different use than the original intention of this design. You can easily go and change the size with this tool in here. All you need to do is preview this one, which will preview your artwork with the correct size, and on top it will show the size, and below you can see you can automatically resize the artwork. So you can open this one, which will open up different size in here. You can find all the standard sizes in here. You can choose the size you wanted from the list. Pretty cool, huh? Once you select your size, just choose apply new design, which will create the new file for you. And again, you can save or download from here, or you can even directly share to your social media post from here. Alternatively, you can even share the link to this post, which will link the original artwork from your dashboard. You can always go back to your dashboard and see all your saved edited files from here, from your profile, where you will find all your artworks in here. Alright, so one last feature I want to show you guys in here is editing photos. There are so many cool effects you can apply to any type of photos. Let's import a photo first. You can import from any online cloud storage or from your computer. I'm just going to import from my computer in here. Once you import the photo into your dashboard, you can see all the features are activated on your right in here, and you can see there are thousands of effects you can apply to photos, and they have nicely categorized them into categories which you can choose from. Let's start with the basics. In here, you can find all the basic photo editing tools in here, such as crop and color corrections. Let's do a crop for this example. Alright, all you need to do is just select apply, which will edit the photos. You can also do some basic rotations. If your photo needed to be rotated or flip horizontally or vertically, you can use these tools in here. And similarly, there are so many tools you can find in the basic settings. You can correct the brightness, contrast, saturation in here, and you can control the exposure control from here below. You can also change the temperature of the image. Also, you can apply vignette filter from here, and many more. There are so many settings you can play with the basic settings alone. Alright, so let's move to the effects. As you can see in here, there are thousands of effects in here. Once you open one of these effects, you can find so many options categorized underneath these categories. Let's apply some random effects and see how our image looks. As you can see, every time I apply a new effects, the image is totally changing. As I was saying, guys, sky is the limit. There are so many effects in here, and also they are keep on adding new effects all the time. So basically, the effect controls are unlimited in here, and it's impossible for us to go one by one for all of these effects. So let's move on to the next, which is the beauty is basically for portrait images. You can edit the portrait image very easily using these settings in here. There are many options you can choose from, and also you can easily edit the image the way you want. And all of these are one-click settings, so it's really easy to edit any type of photos the way you want. As you can see in here, I have just edited a photo, and you can compare the original and edited photo from here. Best of all, it just took me less than a minute to edit this photo. Alright, so let's move on to the next one, frames. You can basically apply thousands of borders from these libraries in here. They have categorized based on their style. You can choose your style and just straight away apply to these photos. Next one is stickers. Stickers are basically vector shapes and patterns. You can add them to your photo for styling purposes. And below we have the text. You can type any text in here, and again you can change the text size. You can also choose these prefix sizes, adding sizes from here, and change colors and so on. Alright guys, this is just a tip of the iceberg. There are so many things you can do with this photo tool. There are so many options in here, so many effects, so many things. They are keep on adding up. So please check this one out guys. And also if you sign up with the link in my description, you will get 20% off. And if you are a student, you will straight away get 30% off from this link in here. You can find the link under the description also. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.